Good evening students. Today we discuss page number 223 from 16th lesson from the last page to second paragraph onwards. The Communist Party of India in the meanwhile decided to support the British war effort because it is allowed to attack on Soviet Union by the Nazi Party. So already Nazi Party was going to attack on the Russia through the Stalingrad. Throughout the worldwide, it is defeated almost Britain and the alliances. That's why it is an attack on the Soviets. That's why in India, Communist Party of India was supported to British Army to defeat the Nazi forces. They are releasing their danger at the world level. It is called. Okay. The contemporary Gandhiji was felt that India would be able to handle the Japan on their own after British level up in India. At the same time, Congress Party was also defeated. It is fearing because of the defeat of the British in the hand of the Nazi hands. Automatically, other side, Japan will be occupying India. Now again we are going to under control of the Japanese from British to Japan. So again it is going to colonization. So this type of ideology from the Gandhiji and at the same time at the side of Communist Party different views. The initial victory of the Japan against the America, the European created a strong impression on the people of the people in India. Firstly, it seemed that the European colonists would get defeated very soon. Secondly, Japan was an Asian country could stand up against the European colonists. India felt that they too can stand up the fight against the British. They made the racist superiority of the British were smashed. At the same time, some of the people who are inside of India, they supported Japan and other parties because they want to defeat the British army in the war. Like that, Japan is giving to chance to India make independence. From that part, we can see Subhash Chandra Bose looked at the opportunity of the made available by the difficulties of the Britishers. From this part, Subhash Chandra Bose also the great Indian fighter. He made to trouble to giving to Britishers. He said that India independence was the utmost importance and we should take help of the Japanese throughout of the India from Britishers. So this part we can understand the Britishers must be throughout from India. Meanwhile it is doing means you need to take the necessary helping from Japan. So that's why he made to support the Japan. He went to secretly Germany and then to Japan, raised an army of Indian soldiers in 1942. Who was the soldiers, the major part of Indian army, INA, the part who are the soldiers in the beginning, they are the soldiers of the British army. They had been captured by the Japanese when the British were defeated in the Burma and Malaya. Malaya means Malaysia. In the part of British army, we are defeating the Japanese hand. These armies are captured into as war prisoners in Japan. From this part, they are POWs, prisoners of wars. Bose recruited them to an army and is called it is INA, means Indian National Army. Later other Indians also joined in the army including the many women. However, Gandhi is not agreed with the plan of the Bose and felt that Japanese cannot be liberated India. Gandhi strongly believed that Japan is also not given to liberation to India. At the same time, Gandhi thought that maybe we are going to after Britishers in control of the Japan if Japanese win. So Subhash Chandra Bose persisted to choose the path and lead the Armenian soldiers to fight alongside the Imperial Army of Japan against Army of Japan against the Britishers for almost 3 years. So 1942-1945 was going to against war with the Britishers with the help of the Japanese started. Those who were daring the dramatic and difficult times indeed at one point has deceived that Allied powers was losing the war. But Russia checked the Nazi forces with the decisive victory at Stalingrad. The Allied powers are resigned to control initially the Second World War. Subhash was the Indian National Army was defeated by the British Army. After math of this, it is not certain whether Bose disappeared or died. It is also today it is the greatest confusion. It is not confirmed about Subhash Chandra Bose's death. So these are happening on the part. In the 1944 in June, when the war was nearing its end, the British government released the Gandhiji from the prison. The time was set for the another round of negotiation pushing the Indian independence. So from the part we can understand how struggled for the India the time of 45 to 46 period, the Indian Army has also defeated in the hand of British Army. At the same time, after that war, Second World War, after Gandhi was released from the jail, the soldiers of Indian National Army were impressed, and the British they said to them, punish them. A trial of Indian National pioneer soldiers began to court-martial from the beginning of traitors of the army, hanging from the death of the punishment they given by this type of punishment by the Britishers in the court. But under the unrest and unhappiness, discontent kept interrupting a different part of India. INA trial was persisted. In this popular and uprising nationalist conspiracies, issue of the Hindu-Muslims identity, the separatist politics often became unimportant. So what are they at the time of? Sometimes in Muslim parties support to Muslims, Congress party also sometimes they are blamed by the Muslims, they are the Hindus parties. However, the differences are quite unimportant. For example, many of Indian National Army soldiers who began to try their treason, they are Muslims. So the people are angry and sympathy gave no other religion of these soldiers. They are the Indian Army, they are the Indian soldiers, nothing but about any religious. So we must support the Indian Army, and also we must support our soldiers. If you place yourself in the year of the world end, it will be easy to understand the situation of the country. The people were restless with the food shortage because most of what food is expended in the war. The ration of the food, high prices, black marketing, and ordering, all this make workers are angry about the low wages. The railway and the postal employees or the government employees were planning to go to India and the strike against of the prices. In 18 February 1946, the god of the reading of the Royal Indian Navy in Mumbai, the Bombay Harbour came to hunger strike to protest against the bad food and the behavior of the British officers. This is the first immediately reason of to keep the Britishers in India. Because on the time, British Navy make a revolution against the British Army, the Indian soldiers who are the navigators, who are the naval dockyard workers. They are striking and hunger strike to protest against the backward behavior of the British officers. The strike rapidly spread in the all of the naval men in the Mumbai, showed all the naval bases in India. The rebellion men put up the tricolor and the crescent in the hammer and the cycle of the sickle flags jointly the mast of the ship. The naval central strike committed, it was elected as the MS Khan at its head. The strike committed a demand of the Bedford, equal payment for the Indian soldiers as well as the white soldiers and sailors. The release the Indian National Army and the political prisoners, withdraw the Indian troops from the Indonesia. For this one successfully succeeded by the Indian Navy. Okay, tomorrow remaining part I will explain for you. Thank you.